Hey art lovers, look at what just arrived. A special delivery from PNA, the #1 art supply store in Mzansi. Let's dive in. First things first, let's gently pull off this beautiful ribbon. It's almost too pretty to untie, eh? Almost. They really know how to make an artist feel special, eh? It's like Christmas morning, but for an artist. First up, a selfie ring light, because every masterpiece needs a perfect lighting, right? Let's pin this on my desk. I can place it anywhere in my studio. I can adjust the color, I can adjust the brightness to match my content perfectly. We have gold fiber charcoal pencils. These are going to bring my sketches to life. And here's a set of 8 graphite sketch pencils. Smooth, precise, just how I like it. Check this out, colored pencils galore. I'm already buzzing with ideas for new drawings. My all-time favorite, Faber-Castell pencils. These will really help me nail those deep dark tones. Pressed charcoal is a game changer, trust me. Next, a set of 4 brushes from Faber-Castell. The quality here is simply unmatched. And wow, this canvas, it's the best quality I've ever seen. I can't wait to paint on this one. Finally, a 36-sheet sketchbook, perfect for drawing, for painting, you name it. Thank you, PNA. This unboxing was an absolute blast. Big thanks to PNA for hooking me up. Comment down below which product would you like to see me try first. Dango.